Ano? Shake it, baby. Shake it.
Dito naman! Dito naman!
Lari resulta yan. Age 47. Baby.
Ma'am, ito ma'am.
Nasusok nga, o ayaw. Oo, ganyan talaga yan. Yan ang disadvantage dito. Nga, ayaw nga. Tama na, di nga.
Because normally, hydrogen peroxide, once exposed to sunlight, will give off hydrogen and will give off oxygen. But bibigyan ng oxygen, leaving behind water. Kaya dapat yan ay color, hindi dapat exposed to sunlight. So this is exposed to sunlight. We are expecting that on the surface, there is oxygen. How will you know there is oxygen? Is the gas of oxygen. What is the property of oxygen? It's first combustion device and fire. If there is oxygen, there will be fire.
Ayaw nga, ayaw.
What will happen to the glow splinter?
Video yan, video. Oo, video.
Dapat mag-uwi.
Gano'ng katagal video? Gano'ng katagal video?
That means, communication of
Oo, gano'ng katagal video? Basta matagal na yun, no? 3 minutes, 22 seconds. Tagal ba yun?
Hindi kasi masyado may...
Basically lang yan.
Let us add an catalyst. A catalyst, what is a catalyst? Well, we do move. Carbon dioxide is a catalyst. For evolution
5 minutes. 0.29, 0.41. 0.41? Wow!
Ano yan gawin?
Wow! Ang tingin ng vulkan! Wow, vulkan!
What is the gas?
Lava!
Hydrogen gas.
Yan!
Okay na to. 23 minutes.
You're a follow.